Alright, I got another box to reveal to you what's inside. Well, what I have here, it's actually brand new 03-04 Cobra fog lights with bulbs and the 03-04 Cobra bezels that the fog lights will actually be behind on the bumper. I ordered these right here for a car that I purchased that was wrecked, and I'm going to reveal this to you. I've got it written down here. The fog lights, I got them on eBay for $26.95 from Fun Sports-USA, and also I went ahead and put in this box just so that I could reveal them at both at the same time, was the bezels. They were $24 from Best-Auto Parts, and both of these I ordered on eBay. So for $26.95 and $24, I got the fog lights and the bezels, which is a great deal. So I will go ahead and pull out what I have. Alrighty, got some goodies. Okay, so right there you see that's the fog light bezels, left hand and right hand, and basically, you know, your fog lights will sit in behind this, but the fog lights don't mount to the bezel, they actually mount to the bumper itself. So I've got these, sit them behind me, and here is the fog lights, the 03-04 Cobra fog lights. Of course, these don't mount to the bezels, they mount to the bumper, but you know, it'll definitely look real nice on the car. It's one of them, there's the other one. So there's the two fog lights, and they're glass, so they're not no cheap knockoff set of fog lights. I mean, for $26.95, and you can't beat it. It's even metal on the inside. It's like a cast aluminum and plastic surrounding with a glass front with the bulb. So I mean, you really can't beat that for $26.95. Plus, for the $24, I got the bezels. So this right here, if you're going to order your 03-04 Cobra style bumper, which I'll be showing you in another video along with some more parts that I ordered. If you're going to order that bumper, which I will show in another video, these are something you're definitely going to need. Don't be one of those people that just buys the bumper and never buys these. Great addition to any Mustang, V6, 99-04, a GT, Mach 1, or if you bought a wrecked Cobra or something. Any of them, regardless, this makes a good addition and makes your car look great. So please stay tuned and check out some of my other videos on some more parts that I ordered for my car that I've got. And please subscribe. Thanks for watching.